formally adjourn the 12th National Youth Assembly.
Hi guys.
Hi,
So
Lisa.
we're going to
Nalain kayo, Albert.
Mississippi Allen.
Yes.
Ako tanong to ni Suway sa higo.
Hala, ano mahadok? Man mo.
Yeah, sa inyong maingon sa among biyahe.
Ate Princess.
Maulo sila. Makita ba ni sa camp? Ha?
Kita rin mo.
We?
Oh, amo ning
Very
sa top.
stressful.
Sige. Message lang.
Oh, message.
Message lang. Ga-amping sa biyahe. Short message.
Kaan, amping sa biyahe.
Gawat rin mo di ang ningon.
Yay, thank you so much, Dong.
Thank you for dating hostess.
Yes.
Kapoy na kiniati.
Yeah, but yes, we can do this. Happy na. Mga 5 to 6 hours going to Allen.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hi! Finally, we've arrived to Mississippi Allen! Yay! So, makita sa may tao matulugan.
Yes. So, keep watching. Shout out ayun. Bigyan our kids. Play tags. Hello, good morning.
Today is our day 1 on NYA.
Day 1, day 1 in NYA. Nandang.
The flag of the CYF, with its distinctive sign, it identifies the youth arm of the United Church of Christ in the Philippines.
To all of you, to everyone, good morning.
And to journey with them is to journey towards transformation. We do
Manatag Alaysa May Villas, Masbate Conference. Ano na lang kayo? Yes. Royo OMG.
Our national coordinator.
Our National Youth Coordinator. Yes, I see.
Among the constituents, but has also emboldened the youth to provide a prophetic witness, linking liturgical worship with social actions.
A new chapter in the ministry. As one quadrennium closes and another opens, let us continue to walk with Jesus and journey together with the Anawim as God has entrusted us to do.
Mr. President Zamora. Before I make my point of inquiry and my suggestion,
Hi everyone. Time check is
9:15.
So,
Day 1 finish na.
yes, done with day 1.
Concluded.
NYA. Opening worship and plenary session. So guys, it's really a giving and hindi basta-basta. Diba? Tagalog yan. Anyway, so ayun, see you tomorrow for our date. Bye!
Teacher.
Check. It's day 2 everyone.
Day 2 plenary session in NYA.
Yes.
So, laban lang ta, guys.
Let's do this. Tataklan din.
Tira, tira. Tira, tira. Tira, tira.
Para sa research and development si Mark, ang technical working group, pwede mong tumayo din for human resource, ay si Julius Barachea, technical working group, at mula naman sa program implementation, si Mara, mula sa SEMSA, ang part ng technical working group. So sila naman ay bahagi ng technical working group na mag-access sa
your membership pera. Now, divide yung problem versus yung let's talk about
Gayon na ang Diyos musala sa malipayong kasing-kasing.
maligo na maligo.
Hallelujah!
Maligo sa kalibay.
Maligo sa kalipay, diha sa Ginoo. Maligo sa kalipay, diha sa Ginoo.
follow the way of the powers that be? Ang of course, sagot natin ay hindi. He did not follow the way of the Romans. He did not follow the way of the religious leaders. He did not follow the way of the powers that be. Take his cross to guide you in the path of justice and peace. For the ensuing term.
Jurisdictions, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. A stronger foundation, and we have done exactly that. We have set the direction of the next quadrennium through the approved program priorities, and we have proven that the youth are not just the leaders of tomorrow. We are the critical thinkers of today, the prophetic voices of today. It is with great joy that we also celebrate the transition of our leadership. We have successfully elected and installed but our journey with the ANAWIM continues. Padayon, CYF! By the powers vested in me as the CYF National President, in accordance with the Constitution and bylaws of the Christian Youth Fellowship, by the powers vested in me as the National President of the Christian Youth Fellowship, in accordance with the Constitution and bylaws of the CYF, I now formally adjourn the 12th National Youth Assembly.
Hello! Hi everyone! It's
Last
our
day of NYA, done na closing. So we're going to
the camp, National Youth Camp.
see you guys there.
Bye, Janice!
Okay.
Hello!
Ayun. So, meron lang akong gustong itanong sa inyo. Masaya ba kayong nandito?
She said that she was under terrible pressure from a large gang that recruits girls to be prostitutes and forced her to join them. Their family was poor and they were destitute. As a standard reply coming from the clergy, the pastor simply advised her to resist evil.
Guys,
Hello,
this is our day
everyone.
2 of National Youth Camp and ang dami naming inputs.
Yes, it's more about walking with Jesus, knowing about walking with Jesus, journeying with the Anawin. So,
Right now, meron kaming interview at na-assign kami sa iba't ibang topic.
At ang mind you people, na ang nagsasapawang krisis at paghihirap na dinaranas ng mamamayan, mga kapatid, hindi ito ang punto ng kinagawiang pag-iisip kung anong solusyon. Kasi feeling natin, dahil sa walang umpat na krisis na ito, mag-e-elect na lang tayo ng liwanag sa dilim.
Provincial meeting. Usapuhan kuhan. Ang masipag ng grupo, kaya kami tiyo dito, kasi na kung yung pa, yung ba Organic Farmers Association.
2021. So, historically, since the start, magpahangin sa kasalukuyan, ang US ang nangunguna. And number 1 emitter ng greenhouse gas at pangunahing responsable sa climate change. Dahil in history, sila yung pinakaunang bansa na naging industrialisado. Ang China, kung napansin nyo, late 90s at early 2000s siya bumilis, na bumulusok, at naging number 2. At titignan natin.
Galing kong effort ng ating ministry because of that faith that came from the people na nag-manifest ng buhay. Pero sa atin, one thing na true, nasabi ko na kanina, it's not only saying sinabi.
Nagsasampay ng tabi! Cool na kami.
Nag-exercise kami! Okay oh! Bindaman mo na! Nagsasamba kami! Hindi kayo! Nagkusasama! Bakit na?
Mas may lang yung pagpagawa sa ron.
Alam ko, speaker
Uy, lumilipas na jutaan.
Nadiligato yun ko.
Sige, maminaw ko. Malunggay, pandesal, green cheese.
Bye, Norwemja!
Bye! Murag ako asa mo to.
See you soon!
See you next month!
Yes! Ay!